All right, once you're logged into Adobe Spark, make sure you sign in with your Google account here. You can make awesome videos from your computer. All right, so they kind of give you some like templates here. They can kind of go from, you can hit view all, view all to kind of see some popular video templates. They got social media, grow your business, teaching. So you can kind of look at these templates. Maybe you want to kind of go from there and start building your movie trailer from that. I like to hit the plus button here. I just like to go to video. Now, once I do that, um, I'm going to say start. That's what I'm going to name my movie. All right. All right. So you got promote an idea, tell what happened. You can kind of scroll over here. You can make up your own, but we'll kind of give you a little template here. I'm doing the trailer, so I'm just going to try this. Tell what happened. And when you click on it, we'll kind of have a video like pop up for the first time, kind of giving you a nice tutorial. So I'd watch that little video there to inspire you and kind of get some ideas. Oh, there it is. Here's the video here. So little quick tips here. So watch this video here for some quick tips as you kind of go here. So it's basically kind of building a PowerPoint or a slideshow as you kind of go through here as you kind of look here, and you can add different scenes here. You can record your voice. Over here will be some themes that you can kind of choose for your video here. So if you're doing like your videos like all in your Chromebook, if you want to go square or widescreen, it's up to you. You can add your own music, but they have more music on here. Here's your volume. I'm going to go back to my layout here. Now, once you hit the plus button, I'm going to go to video, and I have some videos saved to my desktop here and my movie trailer. I don't know what they are. They're just kind of movies of my kids. I'm going to grab this one here. And the cool thing here, you can kind of do the whole clip. You can kind of trim your clip super small, super easy. I'm going to drag this one over here. And right here are my kids flying their kites. So I'm going to hit save. Takes a second here, but super easy to edit your clips, grab them from your Google Drive, wherever you have them. If you have them saved to your downloads, you can take your videos on your Chromebook and just kind of go from there. So Adobe Spark, so easy to use. And finally, a video editing software on the computer here. All right, so right here, now if I want to add something here, maybe I want to add my text. All right, so I'm going to say my movie trailer is The Kite. You can make your font bigger, smaller. The thing I like is that, that you can kind of drag and drop this. The one thing I do not like about iMovie is they kind of like stick you in there. They don't let you kind of move it around there. If you wanted to add more text, you could edit this, make it bigger, cut it, kind of go from there. So I like this. Now, if you want to go into your new clip here, so right here, here's my movie. Let's get some background music. All right, starting off. All right, so there is
high, guy. Oh, watch out for that tree.
The beginning of my movie trailer there. Again, you can play around with your music, and then so you just kind of go on and build onto that. So I'm gonna grab another movie clip. Let's grab the second one. I don't know what that one is. We'll find out. Oh, here's my man riding his bike. All right, so right there, I'm gonna hit save. It's loading, but super easy to use to kind of create your movie, especially with the themes and the text features that you can kind of add on there to give your movie trailer a true life of its own. And to actually film your videos from your Chromebook or laptop if you do not have access to an iPad or iPhone. But that's why I love Adobe Spark. So easy to kind of create these awesome videos using Adobe Spark. Again, take some time, but be patient and come up with some great movies there. I'm excited to see what you guys come up with. It's going to be awesome. So these are 3 great tools here. You can kind of